Hey students, over the next week and a half, you will be choosing your classes for next year, and I wanted to review with you the choices after biology. So after you finish up biology this year, assuming that you've passed both semesters, you are able to select either chemistry in the community, which is a concepts-based course, a lower level course for those that may be not going into a field that would require science. There's a lot more help and modifications in chemistry in the community. And I would have to approve that if you're in regular biology and you're going down to chemistry in the community. Most of you will select chemistry as your next option. It'll cover the basics of chemistry, the molecular background or foundation for sciences. You got a little taste of that in our biochem unit earlier in the first semester. And then if you are interested in the sciences, going on to a medical field or another profession that would require a great deal of sciences, you can select chemistry honors, but you do need my approval, so you would need to email me if you are interested in that course. There's also the option to double up chemistry honors with AP Environmental Science, or APES as we call it at SHAB. But again, you would need my recommendation for that, so you would need to email me your intent. And then finally, you can double up Physics or AP Physics 1 with honors chemistry or chemistry. Again, you need a recommendation from me, so you would need to reach out via email. All right, so the prerequisites for these courses: for chemistry honors, you need a grade B or better in Algebra 2, and you must currently be enrolled in honors geometry or Algebra 2 trigonometry or higher. You must also have passed both semesters of biology with a B or better. And since obviously we haven't finished the second semester, I would base that on your progress thus far in this semester. Let's see. Again, you need that teacher recommendation for chemistry honors, so make sure you reach out to me if you're interested in honors. For chemistry, again, the vast majority of you can select chemistry as your option for science next year. Remember, you do need 3 years of science to graduate from high school, so you will need to take 1 more year of a science if you are a sophomore. If you are a junior and you have done another course concurrently, that means taken at the same time, then you might be done with your science courses if you're not interested in pursuing a college degree or going on to a field where science might be required. So for chemistry, you need a C or better in Algebra 1, or be currently enrolled in a math higher than Algebra 1. And I will be making exceptions for the vast majority of you as long as you pass biology. And then finally, chemistry in the community. If you are in regular bio and are interested in moving down a level for your final year of science, please email me as well. We don't do that very often unless you've had some life change, like a new individualized education plan put in place, or a 504 put in place this year, or if you've failed all your sciences up until this point and we haven't been able to identify just why you're not passing the science classes. So chemistry in the community, again, needs a recommendation from me if you're moving down to it from biology. There are also some other options for you. These are the science electives. They're only semester-long courses. Human anatomy and physiology, you need to successfully complete biology and be currently enrolled in or have passed already chemistry, and you need my approval to add that as an elective. Genetics is another option for you for next year, and this would be if you're concurrently taking chemistry. You do need that chemistry background to be in the genetics course. Forensics, you need to have successfully completed biology and chemistry with a C or higher. Again, that would mean that right now while you're taking bio, you would also have been taking chemistry, or some people take chemistry at other institutions over the summer. So forensics would be an option if you have if you intend to take chemistry before next year and pass it. And then let's see, forensics 2, you would need forensics 1 for. Astronomy, you can select this if you're also selecting chemistry, and you must be in or have passed already Algebra 1. And you do need a teacher recommendation for this, so you would need to email me. Geology, you have to also be concurrently enrolled in chemistry or ChemCom, and you must have a teacher recommendation. So if you're not planning, or if you are planning to go into the health field, genetics or anatomy and physiology and forensics would help you with later studies. If you did not take Earth Environmental Science, taking astronomy would be a good idea, or geology, to increase your science knowledge. For those of you that want to take AP chemistry or AP courses in the future, honors chemistry is a preparatory course for the AP chemistry class. So in terms of statistics, only 33% of students without AP experience who enter a four-year institution that's a college or university will graduate. And then if you compare that to students who took AP classes in high school, taking one AP class increases your percent to graduate to 59%, and taking two increases your percent of graduation rate at the college level to 70%. In other words, you learn how to study and be an independent learner for the college environment. All right, the other benefits are you can get potential college credit for those AP classes. Your teacher in high school is much more flexible and able to help you if you need it than a college professor would. There are smaller class sizes than in colleges, and the cost of the AP exam is only $95. You compare that to college credit hours, where most classes are in the range of thousands. If you'd like to review any of these optional science courses, or you are interested in maybe moving up a level or moving down a level, please email me and I will help you as much as I can. Thank you.